Good evening, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It is 8:07 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and it is Sunday night, October 24th, 2021. My belly's starting to ache. I had a lot of pasta, but this isn't financial advice. It's educational. Click the subscribe and the bell. Be notified of these videos when they come out, as well as click the thumbs up and share the video with your friends and colleagues who are believers of artificial intelligence, the future, logistics, platforming, etc., etc. We're working on parking lots with Bosch and other companies, big companies out there, in terms of how to optimize big winded workflows and challenges around that. Intraday updates are on that Twitter link below the video for intraday updates. In the meantime, Fetch.AI. We're at 73 cents right now. We've been kind of bouncing around here in this channel. We've talked about this channel now for a while. We're almost in the slightly lower half of it, and I think we're going to continue the sideways chop, at least for now. We are bound by two lines. One is at the 86 level on the high end, 67 on the low end. Something really needs to be a catalyst for Fetch to break out. Now, looking over at Fetch US dollar, we're starting to see a little bit of a ramp up here yesterday, kind of pulling back. Be nice to get back over this 1226 line. We're at 1207 right now, but I think we have a hard line of support around 1077. And we're going to continue to keep our eye on this. But in the meantime, let's take a look over at Bitcoin. Bitcoin is now kind of holding its own right around 60,000 or so. High, very high end, and that's 59 if anything. But we're going to see what happens here. It looked like a little bit of a head and shoulders. The head's a little too narrow. But then again, some people have narrow heads too. But I'm not here to judge. In the meantime, it looks like we do have a line of support, though, 59,800 or 60,000. I think we're going to bounce back up. This is the green line up here that will take us straight to 80,000 on or before the end of the year, in terms of my personal prediction. In the meantime, Bitcoin dominance. I had to widen this channel out just so everyone knows. This was kind of, we took this out of the loop because it was only a couple of days, but we're starting to check back down. Starting to see a little bounce. Let's see what happens here. I think we're going to start riding back up at some point. We've had times where things bounced up, but you can see this was fairly red all the way down. This one seems to have a struggle back on the way up. Gravity seems to be trying to pull it back down. So we're going to keep our eye on this, but I still think we're going to trend back up. At least to 40, 50, 49 is the range I'm expecting over the next few weeks. In the meantime, that's all I've got. Right now, over the next couple of days, it looks like sideways chop from what I'm looking at right now until it makes a decision and starts breaching one of these two lines. Anyway, take care.